Think traditional marketing is enough to sell your home? Think again. Today we're going to talk about how great agents take traditional marketing and supercharge it to get your home sold quickly and for the best price. Let's explore how to make your home stand out in the crowded real estate market. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. You're probably familiar with the basics of traditional marketing in real estate. The agent lists your property on the multiple listing service, or MLS, makes up a flyer, sends out a mass email to other real estate agents, puts up a sign, posts some photos on their company website, and holds an open house or two. Done, right? Not exactly. Great agents today make sure that everything they do stands out, is unique, and is exceptional. They amplify traditional marketing, making it just one part of a comprehensive marketing strategy. The MLS. A great agent will not only list your home on the MLS, but also on all of the major real estate sites like Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, and Trulia. There are actually hundreds of real estate sites, and we market our listings on all of them. They'll post a virtual video tour of your home rather than just a few photos. In the listing, a great agent won't just post the basics. They'll feature things that make your home unique and particularly attractive to potential buyers. Your home's website. Yes, your home should have its very own website, not just a page with a few photos on the real estate company's site. Your home's website should be designed to stand out from the crowd. It should have a virtual video tour and photos of all the features you love about your home. It should have a printable brochure, a digital map for directions, a mortgage calculator, and reports for out-of-town buyers showing area amenities, school scores, and community information. Property-specific and neighborhood funnels. To market your home, we set up neighborhood funnels to attract buyers interested in your area. These funnels have information about current area events, the best restaurants in town, schools, homeowners associations, and crime rates. This neighborhood and community information helps attract the right buyers to your home because educated buyers are more likely to make a better offer and less likely to back out once they know all the details. Professional videos and photos. Agents who care about doing a superior job won't just shoot a few photos and a quick video with their smartphone. They'll hire a professional photographer and videographer to capture your home's best features. Great lighting, inviting angles, and high-quality edits make a big difference. Videos are critical in marketing your home. They get 12 times more shares on social media than text or photos. And when you put some paid ad spend behind the video, you get thousands of views and hundreds of hours of watch time. 3D virtual reality tours and drone footage. I often use drones for parts of the video. My listings feature 3D virtual reality tours that are interactive, allowing prospective buyers to feel like they're actually there and walking through the home. And by linking this technology to all social media, it's like hosting cool open houses 24/7. Printed materials. Instead of flyers, a great agent will create high-quality, full-color brochures with links to the virtual tour and website. These brochures are sent to everyone who inquires about your home. We deliver brochures to your neighbors with all your property's information and a QR code that leads them to our buyer funnel and directly to the property. Or we use just listed postcards and distribute them to your neighbors because they might know potential buyers. Lawn signs. Most lawn signs promote the agent, not the home. A great agent will spend the money to create a distinctive sign. Today's best signs have a customized QR code that takes people directly to your home's website. We have technology that notifies us when someone uses this feature so we can capture the potential buyer right away. Questions to ask before hiring a listing agent. Specifically, what will you do to market this property? What potential buyers would you target for my property and why? How specifically will you market to them? What do you think makes my home most attractive to buyers, and how will you feature it? Can you show me examples of your brochures and other marketing materials? Can you show me photos of your lawn signs? How will it stand out? Is there a QR code feature that captures buyers' information? On what sites will my home be listed? How often do you update these listings? How will you engage my neighborhood? What will my home's website look like? Who will take photos and videos? What kind of social media ad campaigns will you run? How often will you post on various sites? Can you show me examples of reach, engagement, video views, and time watched of your past home ads on social media? How do you specifically target buyers who are looking at properties similar to mine? That's how great agents supercharge traditional marketing to get your home sold quickly and for the best price. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next module. I'm Kimberly Crouch with eXp Realty. Authentic coastal luxury at every price point.